the Constitution is built around a vision of human nature. But what is government, says Madison, but the greatest reflection of human nature in Federalist 10. And this is a very important thing to understand because it's the first time that we know of that a government, that people are actually setting, how are humans, what kind of government, how are humans going to react to a government, or how do we structure a government to, a free government, because freedom was the key. How are we going to structure a free government that recognizes human vice and turns it into a human virtue? This is the test of the Constitution. This is the most critical thing to understand about it because everything about there flows from it. So when the framers are looking around the country in 1787 and they are looking at the chaos, they realize that humans are not these great virtuous people whom are going to be, Americans, humans aren't going to be able to suppress their personal interests for the greater good. And as a matter of fact, they often think that their personal interests are the greater good. And that we're going to have to find institutional ways to do this. We're going to have to create complicated government, not a simple government, because a simple government simply allows one group to oppress another. This is the framers' point of view. This is what they learn. And so what happens is they create this government committed to liberty, but they understand liberty in kind of a social setting. Not liberty doesn't mean you can do whatever you want anytime you want to do it. But liberty is opportunity, but opportunity has to be, blocked until it has a consensus behind it. So the notion is one of separation of power. We don't want all power to be in one person or one institution. And then even more importantly, or as importantly, checks and balances, which is so that if the separate institution starts to get too powerful, you have a check against it.